Let's talk about our wellness and lifestyle. Yes, for us to have a very good wellness or a good lifestyle, the truth is that we must consider what we eat. Yes, I say what we eat. Today, I would like us to consider about five composition of what we eat. Yes, food. Waiting we they put for mouth. That's why we talk about food. What are we talking about? These food contain biological compounds in a large amount. The main biomolecules we found in food we eat today is of five. Yes, I say of five. One is carbohydrate. Yes, carbohydrate is one of them. Two, we define lipid there. Three, we define protein there. Four, we define nucleic acid. Yes, and five, we define vitamins and also hormones, phytohormones. Phytohormones are also one of those things. Now let's quickly talk about carbohydrate. A lot of people think say carbohydrate is just all about eating cassava, eating yam, and all that. No, that is why a lot of us they fall sick, especially when we have some health issues and we dey think say we dey help our life. Some go tell you say for every night I dey consume fruits. The question be say which type of fruit you dey consume? Today I go shock you. I go tell you say some of those fruits wey you dey eat, some of those vegetables you dey eat contain carbohydrate. I say yes, it contain carbohydrate, sugar. Now today let's talk about it. There are some of those fruits that you can eat. If you are diabetic, it go affect you. Your health no go dey well. That is why I want to make this video for us to understand it. There are some certain fruits that you should be aware that the end point na sugar. Yes, they be carbohydrates for sugar aspect when you talk about fructose. Number one is banana. Number two is apple. Number three is grape. Number four is mangoes, cherries. We have pear. We have oranges. We have pineapples. We have kiwis. We have dates. All these ones dem go give you sugar o. Dem dey give sugar. Some of them dey give natural sugar. Some are rich even in a complex sugar. Yes, and also give fibers as well. So you go dey careful and know say carbohydrates, some of fruits dey give am. Yes, you know stuff for fruit, even vegetables as well. Let's talk about some of those vegetables that can give us yes sugar. I said yes sugar. Some of them get starch. Something like potatoes. Yes, potatoes get plenty starch wey make am a carbohydrate. E dey give energy. No be only potatoes. Sweet potatoes as well dey give us that. Yes, sweet potato go give you that as well. Yes, I dey take you sweet potato, e go give you that. Another one wey go give you that one yes, corn. Corn go give you. Peas go give you. Yes, carrot go give you. All of them get starch. They get fiber as well. Beetroot go give you. E go give you sugar. Buttersquash go give you. Parsnip go give you. Pumpkin go give you. Yam as well go give you the same way. Potatoes and sweet potatoes go give you. Yes, all these things dey good for body. They give us fiber, they give us vitamins and minerals wey dey contribute as well make our body dey good or make we dey live a healthy life. But the thing be say, ask yourself, should I eat it based on my health, based on my lifestyle, so that e go dey well? So you better make you consult your physician to know the one wey you go eat, wey e go dey good for your body. Make you no dey eat you think say I don eat well but na problem you dey give yourself. You don hear that one? Next, we are going to lipids. Wetin be lipid? Lipid are fatty oils, are essential various fatty oils that dey good for the body. E dey help to energy storage. E dey help also for hormone production, and also e dey help for cell membrane structure. Yes, for cells wey dey for our body dey work well, dey function well. But there are vegetables as well wey this lipid wey we go eat go give us lipid. There are some foods wey we go fit eat as well go give us lipid, but some people no understand and e dey beneficial. Yes, one of them of the fruit wey we fit eat is avocado. Yes, avocado is one of the unsaturated which have source of fatty acids. Yes, they are very very beneficial because e dey give us what? Oleic acid. Yes, this oleic acid dey very good because e dey good for the functions of our heart Apart from that, olive as well. Olive is another one monounsaturated as well. In they give us oleic acid. Another one wey be fruit wey we fit eat, we get fat lipid, yes, is coconut. Coconut give us unsaturated fat. Yes, this coconut is rich in medium chain triglyceride, yes, MCTs, which is a type of saturated fat that can be beneficial for energy and body metabolism. If we dey eat am, e go help your body. Yes. Now, what are the vegetables wey we fit get am? They are there. Although most of these vegetables, dem become like seed and nuts. Yes, something like almond, something like walnut, something like chia seed, all of them, like even flax seed, all of them go give us, yes, e go give us lipid. Remember, all of them na polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fat. Yes, these nuts and seeds like almond, walnut, chia seed are unsaturated, and all of them con dey high, you understand, for fatty acid also, and they also contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid wey good for the body as well. Another one na soya bean and soya bean products, you understand, something like tofu and edamame are also good and high in that. These ones as well are polyunsaturated and monosaturated fats. Like soya beans contain healthy fats that also are good for source of protein. Pumpkin seed as well are polyunsaturated fats. These seeds are high and healthy fats, and also they provide good amount of protein and fibers for the system. Another one na sunflower seeds as well. These ones are also polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fat. The same thing goes with peanuts. Even before peanut, that sunflower as well go give us vitamin E. Yes, even peanut as well is monosaturated and polyunsaturated fat as well, and that one is also high in giving us what? Lipids as well. Sesame seed as well is also rich in lipids. Yes, they are also polyunsaturated fat as well. And that one they give us what we call tahini, is an essential product wey body need as well. Now we have known about this. What are the benefits of all these lipids? Do they get benefit? Of course, lipid get benefit. One of the benefit be say e dey help for energy storage. Yes, e dey supply source of energy for the body wey dey make body dey fine. Lipid fit give about 9 grams of energy wey body dey use dey work. No be only that, e dey help support the system, cell membrane structure. Yes, lipid is a good structural integrity for the body. Yes. Wetin again lipid fit do? Lipid fit do another function, like e dey help for hormone production. Yes, lipid fit help for your hormone production. E dey crucial for synthesis of hormone, including steroid and other hormones. And e dey do another thing, e dey help in absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Yes, fat soluble vitamins, like the absorption of vitamin A, D, and E and K for the body. Lipid also dey help for skin and hair. If you get a good lipid, e dey consume enough one wey the body need. E dey help the body dey moist and also help your hair dey grow well. These are the things wey dey work. But e get disadvantage, you must know. Lipid get a lot of disadvantage. If you take am so much, e dey cause you to gain weight, and when you gain weight, that means na obesity don turn to obese. That's one thing lipid go do for you. Another thing wey lipid go do if e dey too much for your body, wey you go watch your diet, be say e dey heart disease as well. E go cause cardiovascular disease if e dey too much, because e na saturated fat. Another one be say e dey bad if e dey too much for body, because e fit cause digestive issues. Yes, overconsumption of that will cause discomfort in digestion issue, and also go cause you personally diarrhea if you dey consume am too much. So you suppose follow your physician talk if you wan consume, or if you get issue for body wey you no know, and to make sure say your diet dey okay. We never stop, we dey go for another one wey be protein. Now wetin be protein? Protein na one of those large complex molecule made up of amino acid wey the body need. They are essential for building and repairing tissues wey the body need, wey dey for our cells wey dey go well and dey grow well. Yes, we fit get proteins from fruits and vegetables o, e go shock you. A lot of people think say na only grains, legumes you go fit. No, there are some. Although naturally we know say that to get a good quantity of it na legumes, but I go tell you today most of those fruits wey you fit get what? Protein. Let's go. Some of those fruits wey you go fit get am, yes, be guava. Guava na one of the highest fruits wey go fit give you protein. Yes, guava dey give like 4.2 gram per cup of protein. Another one na avocado. Avocado dey also good. E dey give like 3 grams of protein. Apricot dried one. Yes, apricot dried one dey give approximate 2.2 gram of protein per cup. Kiwi fruit as well dey give like 2 gram of protein per cup. Oranges, yes, you go think say why? What you talk? Oranges, yes, oranges dey give protein. Approximately 1.2 gram of oranges you go get of protein for am. Yes, no be only that, vegetables dey give am. Vegetable like spinach go give you like 4.5 gram of protein per cooked one. Even Brussels go give you like 2.6 gram of protein. What about Brussels sprouts? Yes, that one go give you like 3 grams of protein. Artichoke go give you like 4.8 gram of protein as well. Asparagus also go give you approximately like 2.9 grams of protein per cup that is cooked. Yes, for you to know. Pea go give you like 8.9 gram of protein. Yes. Another one, kale go give you like 2.9 gram of protein per cup. Yes. This one go shock people as well. Corn go give you like 5 grams of protein. Yes, I dey tell you. You fit make your research for you to know. Also, corn flour as well go give you like 2 grams of protein if you dey eat am well. Other ways wey you fit get protein wey be other source wey be I talk before, that is the legumes, something like lentils, something like chickpeas, something like beans. Those ones are also high in protein because even those ones go give you like 15 to 18 grams of protein per cooked of it. E no stop there. There are nuts and seeds wey you fit get protein like almond, sunflower seed and chia seed. All of them go give you, but e dey in varieties. Yes, like almond fit provide you like 6 gram of protein per ounce, and something like sunflower seed fit give you like 5.5 gram per ounce, and something like chia seed fit give you like 4.7 gram per ounce. You understand am? Then quinoa seed get like 8 gram wey e go give you per cup, and edamame seed as well go give you like 18 gram per seed per cup. Yes, the seed go give you per cup. So all these nuts go give you, vegetable go give you, but the truth be say, like I say before, legumes, seed, nuts go give you more than fruits and vegetable. I know say that one don clear, you don understand. Make you know wetin you dey eat, how e go benefit you and how you go check am. Next one we dey go for na nucleic acid. You fit ask wetin be nucleic acid? Nucleic acid is simply DNA and RNA. These are biochemical molecules that carry genetic information, storage and transfer for our body. Yes, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. These ones dey very also good for body because they play a major role. They are composed of nucleotides which include sugar or phosphate group, yes, and a nitrogenous base. These are wetin they say they have. Nucleic acid is also a typical major component of food. Yes, not concept, component of food. They are present in all living cells. In our cells for body as a human, you suppose know. Yes, these ones helps us to build the immune system. and wetin we dey eat na im dey boost am. They are essential for genetic formation, for storage, for transportation, and protein synthesis. Yes. Which fruit wey fit help us for this? Because fruit go help us for this nucleic acid, and vegetable. They are plenty. We go talk about them. Something like mushroom go help us. Mushroom na part of it. Although mushroom, they categorize am part of the fungi, yes, but mushroom is a vegetable. They are rich in nucleic acid due to his high cellular activities, yes, of molecules. You have the structure, the high cellular of it makes it a good one. Spinach is another one. Spinach is a vegetable that contains a significant amount of RNA and ENA because of its rapid growth and high turnover wey e dey have for growth. It is very, very okay. And another one is sparagus. Sparagus is also rich in nucleic acid, partly because they grow rapidly as well, which requires a high cellular activities in each that makes it a very good one. Another one is cauliflower. Cauliflower is also, it also has a dense cellular structure. It's a good source of nucleic acid, yes. Another one be broccoli. Broccoli also is a good one because it have a high dense of cellular structure, which makes it a good one. It have a good component that stimulates our what? Nucleic acid in the body. Another one wey good be beans, yes, especially green beans and peas. These one are very good because they have a good structure of genetic plant development. Yes, because of that, it dey good for body. E have enough amount of what? Nucleic acid wey good for our body. Brussels sprout is another one wey good for body because of its dense compact cells that it have. Shows that it have a high nucleic what? Acid. And because of that, Brussels sprout is also very, very important for us to consume. Another one wey good well, wey we suppose to eat na tomatoes. Especially the seed for tomatoes, they good because they have a good component of nucleic acid because of its rapid growth. So it is very good for us to be consuming that as well. Now we don't talk about 4. Let's talk about the 5th one, which is the vitamin and phytohormones. Vitamins are organic compounds that is required in a very small amount in various biochemical functions in different places in the body. They are essential for maintaining health, yes, supporting immune functions, and also preventing deficiencies wey fit happen for us for body, whether na young person, especially people wey dey grow. Yes, vitamin C can be water soluble. Yes, water soluble like vitamin C or B vitamin. It can be that, or fatty soluble, which are something like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and K. These are, and some fruits wey we fit chop go give us this vitamin, essential one wey go dey good for our body. When we chop those ones, e go help our body dey good. And another one be say hormones. Yes, it is true. Animal hormone dey very, very good. But another one wey we fit get from vegetable and from fruits na the one wey they call what? Phytohormones. Those phytohormones are also good we get from vegetable because e help in the functions of the system, make they do well again. So make we talk about those fruits and vegetables wey we fit eat, wey go give us vitamin and also give us phytohormones that our body need. One of them na citric family. Citric family, something like oranges, lemon, grapefruit. These ones dey very good. Wetin they get? They dey high for vitamin C and folate, and also B vitamins. What about phytohormones? They are also good because they contain flavonoids and limonoids, which have anti-properties and can influence the process of our body. All the atoms and molecules and cells of our body, it can influence them. Good. Another one wey we fit eat na berries family. Yes, we have blackberry, we have blueberry, we have raspberries, all those ones they good oh, they get vitamins, good in vitamin C and K and also folate. Yes, and they come also they very good for phytohormones because they contain anthocyanin and other polyhormonal, yes, which have anti-inflammations and antioxidant effect that can boost our immune system and make our immune system kakaraka dey strong to against any disease. Another fruit wey we suppose dey chop, although say e no dey now, but we suppose dey chop is we see am na avocado. Avocado is very rich in vitamin E and K and B vitamin. Yes, and also e dey good for phytohormones because e contain plant steroids which can help manage cholesterol level for our body. Yes. Banana is also good source of vitamin B and vitamin what? C. And it also contain phytohormones like it contains serotonin precursor and dopamine, which can also affect our self very well if we dey under stress or in kind of mood level. E go help ginger our mood and make it well. So e dey very good for us to also consume am, you know. Kiwi is also very important because kiwi contain vitamin C, vitamin E and K, and also kiwi dey very good because e contain some properties for hyperhormones which is antioxidant and what? Bioactive compounds, which make it a very good one for us to be consuming. Another one is papaya. Yes, papaya pawpaw contains A, C and E vitamin wey dey good for our body. What about haptohormones? It gets one wey good for body for that haptohormone which dey help aid enzyme and also digestion, and is also works is a very good anti-inflammatory properties that aid and help our system make dey do well. Then we have vegetables wey we fit get or we fit eat wey go give us good thing for body. Yes, some leafy vegetables like green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, sweet gourd, all those ones dey good as well. Then dey high for vitamin and also dey high for phytohormones. Those ones na vitamin A, C and K and folate as well. They get am. You understand? All those ones wey I call now, they get am, and they also contain chlorophyll and flavonoid and other compounds that have anti-inflammatory effect when you talk about phytohormones. And also another ones are broccolis and Brussels sprouts. These ones contain vitamins like C, K and folate as well, and also they contain sulforaphane and indole, which can help regulate hormone metabolism for body. Another one na carrot. Carrot have vitamin A, K and biotins. Yes, biotins. These ones are also good for body. And for phytohormones, they also contain carotenoids, which have antioxidant property and can influence cellular health. Yes, they contain that carotenoid is very good, which can influence our body. Tomatoes as well is good in vitamin because it have vitamin C, vitamin K and some of B vitamins. Then they very okay and alright for us to consume. And for phytohormones, tomato dey give for body wetin they call lycopene and other carotenoids, which are anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect that helps. Sweet potatoes dey high in vitamin A, C and some B vitamins. E dey good and also good and a good property for phytohormones because e contain carotenoids as well and other phytonutrients that support the health for me and you, so make we dey live well. And another one is bell pepper. Yes, bell pepper have vitamin A, C and the B6. Also for hormones, it contains flavonoids as well and capsaicins, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-oxidation property, which also helps both of us. Now, wetin be the benefit of vitamin and phytohormones? Yes, vitamin dey very very good for our body. May I tell you now, vitamin dey very good because e helps our immune to function well. It give us energy production and also help our skin, and is for our well-being. You see some of people wey lack vitamin, you go see your system, your body no go dey well. If you lack vitamin, you check yourself very well. What about phytohormones? Wetin that one dey? That one dey influence our health as well and help ourselves for antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents and also hormone metabolism. That one go help our hormones stabilize very well. This one no be say you get hormonal imbalance or your hormone no reach well or your system dey malfunction. If you get enough vitamin and get enough phytohormones for body, yes, your body go work well. Yes, these 5 composition of food is very very good for you. Remember, I talk say na carbohydrate, I talk say na lipid, I talk say na protein, I talk say na vitamin and hormones. You understand? If you remember, if you dey use these 5 once, e go help you very well o, make you dey eat food wey contain am. And finally, always make sure you dey visit your physicians, nutritionist, and also person wey know body very well, make e check you, especially when you get issues concerning health before you eat. Most of the thing wey you eat na wetin dey cause our health issue, or we dey alright. Me, I no be medical doctor, me I be chemist. No be people wey dey mix drugs o, na chemist. I'm a certified chemist, yes. I remain humble myself, Okure Moses Ikechukwu. See you in my next video, and give me a thumbs up and a like if you like the post, and also comment, tell me those things wey you fit do. Tell me those things wey you fit do and how you fit arrange your diet, and those things wey you dey eat, how e dey malfunction for your body, and those things wey you don learn for this. If you get am, put am for the comment section. Yes, and see you in my next class.